So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, as we can see, looking like we are finally breaking back, testing that resistance, and looking like we could be forming our bottoming pattern here, obviously forming a lot of structure in this local area. As you can see, we did have this big wick down here, we came back up, we come down and fill most of our wick down here with the huge bullish divergences at the low, the strength of the price action to the downside decreasing, broke our resistance as well finally, with that big Burj Khalifa price action here. We did come back inside resistance, but broke out of it again, and looking like now we might be back testing that area. 3 green candles in a row for Polygon here as we trickle to the upside. A little bit of accumulation consolidation, I think, at these lows, but overall we're seeing a lot of cryptos starting to move to the upside in a big way. A lot of altcoins are starting to move up. Obviously that rate cut in the US is a really big deal for Bitcoin. Usually that signals a bull market for Bitcoin like it did last time, and right now Bitcoin looking like it's starting to move very bullish and very swiftly to the upside, and altcoins will follow suit as a result. I do think, as I've been saying before, this big W double bottom price action for Polygon very much on the cards. I can't imagine we make much more lower lows unless some kind of catastrophic failure happens in the wider market or for Polygon. Overall, my next target's still up, back up to that 0.23 Fibonacci at around that 53-cent level. We do need to see a bit of a reversal from this area, but you can see in previous levels, in previous areas, it is obvious that once we do get a bit of a run of steam for Polygon in terms of buying, we very much can have a nice move to the upside very quickly once we get good volume. Right now, we're just chilling and waiting for that to happen. Like and subscribe for more.